Now, as a mom, I want to tell her why, what, where of bring up a child. That's parenting.
Hi, everybody. Yeah, I mean, Ishta just spoke about the things that she loves and how she's enjoying her life. I, um, I could say that parenting has made me answer many how to, the questions as how to, what to. Me being a parent, I have learned many things while I was teaching her. And it's always been a mutual exchange. You know, I always learned when I was teaching her. For example, I taught her how to love water. At the same time, in return, she taught me how to get over the fear that I had of the water, from the water. You know, I was a hydrophobic. Recently, I was in TEDx talk and I said the same thing, that how my daughter and our travels, it helped me to overcome the fear of water. I was a hydrophobic, and people who know me here will know exactly what I mean. I was terrified of water. And being a parent, it really helped me to get over that. And then I learned swimming last year, and then now I can swim. Most importantly, I can be with my family and especially with her in the pool and then enjoy the water. So making her do all the things was never difficult for me because I never thought it as a task. I always felt that imposing makes people back off. I mean, I just wanted it to come from her own. So I started to give her all the positive feel and the benefits that we could get from the sports activities that she's pursuing right now, and then the arts that she's pursuing again, like ballet and other things. It was never like, I didn't want it to be an imposition on her. You know, like I said, I just wanted to come from her, and then she had to explore herself. So I started to give good things about sports. I am a sports person, but I was never into any nationals or, you know, I'm a sports lover. And again, I started to give little bit information about what it brings to you. Like she said, it brings discipline. I absolutely believe in that. So she started to take interest in skating, and then she loves water. So she is doing good job in swimming. It was a fantastic thing to see how the way she is excelling in these disciplines that she is taken a little to the next step, and then it's a fantastic thing to see her excelling in that. My only imposition, my only rule at home was that no TV. Absolutely, we don't have TV. And she gets her the screen time during weekends, and it is a very restricted one because normally in the weekends we try to go for a drive, and then she is now into horse riding, so she goes, we are basically running around. And I also realized that having no TV, it somehow made us all move so much. You know, we are all the time doing something or the other together. So we may build a little robot, you know, during the weekends. We have a lot of table discussions around lunchtime and dinner time. So it just really, you know, enabled us to come together, come closer, and then we plan our weekends. She's involved in, even in our big travels as well. So I feel these were all the things that I learned while I was parenting her. So it's more like I learned more than, you know, teaching her. And I would encourage all the parents to do the same thing. And you see, again, we are professionals. I'm an architect. My husband is an architect too. We can get really busy during the time, during the day, during the weeks. So my husband somehow, he's a very devoted dad, I think. So he has a small group of friends who they have been playing cricket since a while. The group again reformed again, and they started. But then he was very clear about, you know, he couldn't spend his weekends, you know, away from her because it was more important. He felt it was more important to be with her and spend more time with her. I don't know how you all would take this, but then it has been a great benefit to us and to her especially. Well, my message is just that try to spend as much as possible with the kids, and then the screen time, try less and less possible. So, yeah.
Preeti, what is the biggest challenge you face?
Biggest challenge, yeah. She is a very hyper-energetic child. You know, to channelize her energy was really something challenging. And then how do we, like I said before, how do we do it without being seen as imposition on her? So slowly take her to the drive, slowly introduce the sports, slowly introduce the art form that she might eventually started to like, which in my case, I was very lucky. She took interest in all the things that I tried to introduce to her in the early ages. So I think that was the biggest challenge as a mother, to channelize such a hyper-energetic child.
But how do you get over the fact, like, I hear a lot of parents say this, oh, I don't have time to spend with my friends, I don't get my me time, I don't get my that time, this me time, friend time, every time except parent time. Okay, so how do you get over that?
See, me time is super important too. We have to take care of ourselves, and again, it's very important to rejuvenate and then bounce back. If everybody has a busy schedule, so at the same time, if you know to balance it, if you prioritize everything. For me, my priority is family, especially when it comes to family. I would say Ishta and my husband and the very inner circle family, and then I know I have to be equally balancing with my work, and then like he said, me time as well. So the weekends are absolutely for her. I know my clients wouldn't like it if I say that. But then yes, sometimes I try to be completely away from, I dedicate completely to Ishta to be with her. And some of the, last year we went to, me and her, we both of us, we went to vacations, just both of us, so that, all the weekdays that I have missed with her, so I could, catch up with that. So that was, that is how I I think I made up for I do feel very guilty when I'm not around for her, during the weekdays. But then, yes, I try to overcome that, saying that, yes, I am not doing, something which is unheard of. So, and then I try to make it up during the weekends and during the spring break and summer breaks, etc.
Thank you, Prati.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.